Hi, I'm Peter Jones, Chartered Surveyor, author and property investor, and I'm really excited because I believe that the market conditions we'll see over the next 18 months or so will be virtually identical to those when I first started building my property portfolio. That means this is the perfect opportunity for you to copy my plan and to build your own £2 million property portfolio over the next 4 years. If you really want to be financially free in property, now is probably the best time in years in which to get started. But before you head off to the estate agents, in my experience there are 3 types of investor. There are those who do it themselves, but who buy the wrong properties. Unless you know what to buy, it's easily done, and you won't know you've bought the wrong property until it all goes wrong. That's why so many investors get their fingers burned. Then there are those who delegate the finding and buying to property sources and property clubs. That can be okay. I've done it myself, but at best you'll end up paying a fee of multiple thousands of pounds to someone just to find you a cheap terraced house, or at worst, you'll be fleeced by the more unscrupulous agents. Then there's those who take the time to research and to learn how to do it properly before they jump in. This gives them a much better chance of buying the right properties, and it means that they can save the fees they'd otherwise get charged by someone just for finding them a property they could find for themselves. Needless to say, I think you should be in the third group, so I've collated and compiled all the experience and knowledge I gained in building my portfolio into one easy-to-absorb volume to share with you, which I call the Successful Property Investor's Strategy Workshop. In its 178 pages, I'll tell you the story of how I went from being broke with a limited income and virtually no savings, and within 4 years owned 2 property companies with combined assets worth £2 million. In short, I'll show you everything I did, right and wrong, to get to £2 million in 4 short years, and I'll show you exactly how you can do the same. And I'm going to share with you a fundamental truth about property investing that I discovered in my role as a consultant, and which explains why some investors make it, while the majority don't. Now, if I wanted to, I could do what other so-called property experts do, and I could sell all this information as a home study course for £497 or more. Or I could even make it into a weekend seminar and charge anywhere up to £6,000. But don't worry, I'm not going to charge you £6,000 or anywhere near that amount. In fact, I'm not even going to charge you as much as 1% of that. The Successful Property Investor's Strategy Workshop is available as an ebook for you to download now and print off, or to read on your computer for only £29.97. So save yourself a lot of time and trouble and spend the fee you'd pay a property finder or a seminar company and use it to buy your next property. Please get your copy now by clicking on the Buy Now button. Plus, as a special bonus, if you order now, I'll send you a copy of my ebook Property Investing by Numbers, a compilation of my most popular special reports which cover a range of must-know property topics in great detail. This usually retails at £29.97. But I'll send you a copy free when you order your copy of the Successful Property Investor's Strategy Workshop. And naturally, there's a full 30-day no-quibble money-back guarantee of complete satisfaction, so there's really nothing for you to lose. If for any reason you're not happy with your copy, just email me within 30 days of receipt and I'll give you a full, no-questions-asked refund. So please order your copy now, and you can soon be on your way to starting your own highly profitable property portfolio and securing your financial freedom.